Good morning from Dana Point. Just finished installing all the floors after prepping the concrete for a couple of days. The results are actually very nice. Everything is leveled now and installed properly. The cabinetry is ready now to proceed with. Um, Everything is going per schedule. These cabinets are gonna be full walnut exterior with a maple interior. This wall completely is going to be covered with the same slab of counter that will be here on the bottom as countertop. This custom kitchen and home remodel will become a really pretty one. I'm excited to show the final results, and I'll keep you updated as we go.